It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay, baby. It's okay, Bubble Bear.
And now I'm pleased to announce that in Miss Chloe Lane Cinema tonight, another very generous person,
Good boy.
knows her beloved fiancé, has donated $1,000.
Oh, is that funny?
As far as I'm concerned, I gotta get
Good boy.
Yes, you are a good boy.
Yeah, I know. But it's a good cause. And I know how much you miss singing in front of an audience.
Yeah, except now I'm nervous.
Nervous? You're
Oh, Tutor Bum.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Everybody toots. Oh. Pooh, you stinky boy. You stink.
Why don't you just lay off?
Pooey.
God, this constant sniping and cheap shots. What the hell's your dignity?
All they've got to do is get a rise out of you, Daniel.
What does that mean?
Well, every time I mention the girl's name, you seem to go ballistic.
Then shut up about her.
Well, it's very unlike you to be so disrespectful of me. So rude.
It's okay.
Because you care about her. There's something going on between you two.
Can you sing your head beak? Head and beak and wings and toes, wings and toes, wings and toes. Head and beak and wings and toes, eyes, beak, nares and ears.
Girl stuff?
Well, excuse you, Bobo.
Oh, easy.
Yes, you.
Sweet. You know, this is the way it was supposed to be when Sydney...
Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.